Looking down into the crusher, the outer circle represents the stationary bowl covered by the concaves, and the inner circle represents the main shaft covered by the mantle. The main shaft rests in the eccentric bushing at the base of the crusher, and as the eccentric rotates, the base of the main shaft moves in a circular path around the crusher center line. Viewed from the side, the motion of the main shaft is like that of a pendulum. As the gap closes, the ore is nipped and broken. When the gap between the mantle and the concaves increases, the broken ore is released and falls lower in the crusher cavity where the gap is narrower. Ore that is fine enough falls through the crusher where it is usually picked up by a feeder or conveyor belt. Ore fed at the top of the crusher fills the vacant space.